went away and you hung around and bothered me every night. When I wouldn't go out with you, you said things that weren't very nice. My boyfriend's back and you're gonna be in trouble.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
When you see him come, I better cut out on the double.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
You would spread lies if I was untrue.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
So look out now, 'cause he's coming after you.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's back.
Hey, he knows what you've been trying, and he knows that you've been lying. He's been gone for such a long time.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
Now he's back and things will be fine.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
You're gonna be sorry you were ever born.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
'Cause he's kind of big and he's awful strong.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's back.
Hey, he knows I wasn't cheating. Now you're gonna get a beating. What made you think he'd believe all your lies? Whoa, you're a big man now, but I'll cut you down to size. Whoa, wait and see. My boyfriend's back, he's gonna save my reputation.
Hey Lord, my boyfriend's
If I were you, I'd take a permanent vacation.
Hey Lord,